Welcome to the majestic Redwood National and State Parks, where ancient trees tower above a thriving ecosystem, and history lives in every branch. Home to some of the tallest and oldest trees on the planet, this incredible landscape is a sanctuary for wildlife and a testament to nature's resilience. Here, bald eagles soar through the skies, cougars hunt silently in the shadows, and river otters glide gracefully through pristine waters. In this land of giants, every day is a battle for survival, and the delicate balance of life has been maintained for millions of years. Step into the world of Redwood, where the natural wonders of the past continue to shape the future. Timeless giants, guardians of Earth's history. Walking through a forest where time seems to stand still. The ancient redwoods of Northern California have stood tall for millions of years, witnessing the unfolding story of our planet. These massive trees, some soaring over 300 feet high, are a living link to the time of the dinosaurs. In the heart of Redwood National and State Parks, this incredible ecosystem thrives, untouched by the modern world. The wildlife here, rare plants and animals, have adapted over centuries, creating a world entirely their own. As you wander deeper, you enter a world where nature still rules, where the rhythm of survival beats just as it has for ages. It's a place that humbles you, reminding you of the Earth's raw and enduring power. Nature's unforgiving game, predator versus prey. High above, the bald eagle, with eyes sharp as a hunter's instinct, scans the land below. It sees the shimmering waters where Chinook salmon swim upstream to spawn, a life or death moment in their journey. For the eagle, this is the prize, an essential meal to fuel its reign over the sky. But down below, the drama intensifies. Mountain lions silently stalk their prey, moving like shadows among the towering trees. Their glowing eyes, fixed on their target, wait for the perfect moment to pounce. The Roosevelt elk, majestic and steady, roam cautiously through the forest. Though gentle in nature, they remain ever watchful, aware that danger lurks at every turn. This never-ending battle for survival is the pulse of the forest, where only the sharpest instincts keep the balance of life intact. In the shadows of the towering redwoods, cougars, also known as mountain lions, stealthily hunt with unmatched precision. These top-tier predators often target Roosevelt elk, using their keen senses and quiet movements to close in on their prey. Named after President Theodore Roosevelt, these elk are a conservation success story, having rebounded in numbers due to careful protection. Yet, the cougars remain a vital part of this balance, hunting around 20 to 30 elk a year to survive. Their hunt not only sustains them, but also benefits the entire forest, as the leftovers provide food for other creatures, like black bears and birds of prey. The cougar's role in this wild ecosystem is essential, keeping the forest's heartbeat steady and ensuring that life continues to thrive in Redwood's ancient embrace. Guardians of Redwood's last refuge. In 1968, Redwood National and State Parks were created to safeguard the last surviving pieces of these ancient forests. These parks protect a truly unique ecosystem where towering redwoods have withstood the test of time, silently witnessing Earth's transformation. Stretching along Northern California's rugged coastline for over 40 miles, this sanctuary is home to countless species of plants and animals. Nearly half of the world's remaining old-growth redwoods are found here, offering a vital refuge for endangered species. Beneath these towering trees, life thrives in abundance, with over 400 animal species and thousands of plant varieties coexisting in this natural wonderland. Known scientifically as Sequoia sempervirens, redwoods are not just the tallest trees on the planet. They are some of the oldest living things on Earth. These giants have been around for more than 2,000 years, with some standing since before ancient Rome rose to power. The tallest of them all, Hyperion, reaches an awe-inspiring 379.8 feet into the sky, though their roots are surprisingly shallow, stretching over 100 feet from their base. This vast network allows them to remain strong against wind and flood. This resilience has allowed redwoods to endure for over 160 million years, weathering countless climate changes and standing as unshakable witnesses to history. Bald eagles, sovereigns of the sky. Once teetering on the edge of extinction due to harmful pesticides, the bald eagle has made a triumphant comeback. Today, they soar majestically above the redwood forests, scanning rivers and streams below for fish, their favorite meal. With a wingspan that can stretch up to 8 feet, these birds of prey glide gracefully through the sky, capable of diving at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour to snatch their catch. Chinook salmon make up a significant part of their diet, but bald eagles are versatile hunters, also preying on smaller birds, waterfowl, and small mammals. As apex predators, they play a key role in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem, ensuring that fish populations remain healthy and that the natural harmony of the forest continues uninterrupted. Redwood's lifeline, the rivers that sustain it all. Flowing through the heart of Redwood National and State Parks, the rivers, especially the pristine Smith and Klamath, are the lifeblood of this vibrant ecosystem. The Smith River, recognized as the cleanest in California, provides an ideal home for Chinook and coho salmon, which return year after year to complete their life cycle. These rivers are also teeming with rainbow trout, drawing in a variety of predators who depend on these waters for survival. From black bears to bald eagles and river otters, the abundance of fish supports a delicate balance in the food chain. Once the salmon's life cycle ends, their bodies become vital nutrients, nourishing the surrounding soil and sustaining the entire forest. Without these rivers, the rich biodiversity of redwood would wither, making these waters truly indispensable. River otters, playful keepers of redwood's waters. Gliding effortlessly through redwood's rivers and streams, the North American river otter is a playful yet skilled predator. With the ability to swim up to 7 miles per hour and dive deep for prey, these agile creatures are masters of the aquatic world. Their webbed feet and sleek tails help them navigate the currents as they hunt for fish, crabs, and other water-dwelling animals. Capable of holding their breath for up to 8 minutes, river otters often feast on juvenile salmon and rainbow trout, helping to regulate fish populations and maintain the balance of the river's ecosystem. As one of the top predators in these waters, river otters play a vital role in keeping redwood's aquatic life in harmony. North American beavers are nature's engineers, shaping redwood's waterways with remarkable skill. Using their sharp teeth, they cut down trees and gather materials to construct dams, turning streams into thriving wetlands. These wetlands become crucial habitats for various creatures, including amphibians, fish, and birds. By building dams, beavers help control water flow, ensuring a consistent water supply during dry spells, and creating diverse environments for wildlife to thrive. Their construction activities also contribute to water filtration, keeping the rivers clean and healthy. The wetlands they create are home to species like the California red-legged frog and herons, solidifying beavers' role as essential architects of redwood's flourishing ecosystem. In redwood's serene wetlands, great blue herons stand tall and still, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. With wingspans reaching up to 7 feet, these birds are masters of stealth, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to strike at unsuspecting prey. Fish are their primary diet, but they're also known to hunt amphibians, snakes, and even small birds. Their long legs give them the ability to wade through deeper waters without making a ripple, making them one of the most effective hunters in both freshwater and saltwater habitats. By controlling fish populations, the great blue herons play a key role in maintaining the delicate balance of life in redwood streams and wetlands. Seals and sea lions is resilient creatures of redwood's coast. Redwood's rugged coastlines host a rich marine ecosystem, where California and Steller sea lions lounge on sun-soaked rocks, while harbor seals glide gracefully through the Pacific's chilly waters. Adapted to the often harsh coastal environment, these marine mammals are vital to the health of the coastal ecosystem. Steller sea lions, the largest of their kind, can dive over 800 feet deep to hunt for fish, squid, and crustaceans. California sea lions, known for their speed and agility, dive up to 300 feet, pursuing schools of anchovies and herring in well-coordinated hunts. Together, these marine animals help keep the underwater ecosystem thriving, ensuring that balance is maintained beneath the ocean's surface. Fog, redwood's essential lifeline. Each summer, a dense coastal fog rolls in from the Pacific, enveloping the towering redwoods and providing the vital moisture needed to sustain this ancient forest. Although Redwood sees impressive annual rainfall of 70 to 98 inches, it's the summer fog that acts as a lifeline during the dry season, keeping the ecosystem hydrated. This mist not only nourishes the redwoods, but also supports the broader forest ecosystem, allowing plant life to thrive when rain is scarce. The cool, damp environment created by the fog is essential for maintaining the stable, temperate climate that defines Redwood's unique rainforest, ensuring that these towering giants continue to flourish. Nature's way of renewal, challenges, and hope. While wildfires may seem destructive at first glance, they are a crucial part of the redwood ecosystem. The redwoods, with their thick, fire-resistant bark, are remarkably resilient. When a fire sweeps through the forest, it clears away deadwood and underbrush, creating space for new life to thrive. Almost immediately after a fire, you'll see fresh shoots emerging from the charred ground. This process helps the forest rejuvenate, ensuring it remains healthy and vibrant. Wildfires not only allow the ecosystem to adapt, but also create new habitats for wildlife, reinforcing the natural cycle of life in redwood. Despite the ongoing conservation efforts, Redwood's ecosystem faces ever-growing threats from climate change, pollution, and human activity. As global temperatures rise, wildfires are becoming more frequent and intense, while coastal erosion threatens marine habitats. Plastic waste washing up on shores endangers seals, sea lions, and other marine life, and the pressures of tourism add stress to the park's delicate balance. However, there's hope. With continued conservation programs and a focus on responsible tourism, the future of Redwood's ancient forests and wildlife can be preserved for generations to come. Thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, Redwood National and State Parks have seen remarkable recovery in both plant and animal life. Programs like the Redwood Forest Restoration, led by Save the Redwoods League, focus on protecting old-growth forests and restoring younger stands. Coastal protection initiatives are also in place to monitor plastic pollution and safeguard marine wildlife. These efforts are already yielding success, with populations of species like the harbor seal stabilizing and the majestic bald eagle soaring through the skies once again. Have you ever stood beneath the towering redwoods and felt the sheer power of nature around you? If so, we'd love to hear about it. Share your story in the comments and help spread the word about the importance of protecting these ancient forests. By raising awareness, we can ensure future generations will experience the same awe-inspiring beauty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to join us on more exciting adventures into the wild, where the incredible stories of nature are waiting to be discovered.